August, Pennsylvania cooking. Today I'm going to make something that's really basic and simple, but I think it gets often overlooked as a go-to. But it's something that I like to have every now and then, and especially if we have the eggs, why not? And that is egg salad. It's a pretty common thing here in PA Dutch country and the Amish, and this is kind of a basic Amish recipe. It's a little bit my own because I add two things that they don't because I make it the way I like it. So this is my version of it. It's simple, it's easy, it's a great way to use up some hard-boiled eggs, which I wanted to do today, and it makes a good tasty lunch. So, egg salad, let's get to it. So obviously you need some hard-boiled eggs, and I have some bacon bits. I always usually have cooked bacon on hand in the fridge, so I just crumbled up some bacon bits, some mustard, yellow mustard, a little horseradish, some relish, some mayo, and some very finely chopped onion. If you have red onion, that's even better, and some salt and pepper. It's simple but tasty. And I like doing eggs with a pastry blender. They just cut so nice this way. And then you can chop it up however coarse or fine that you like. See, the pastry blender does a really good job of this. It's like perfect. And then we're just going to mix in our other ingredients. I'm going to throw in some pepper and just a pinch of salt and my horseradish. Recipe will be in the description below. I mean, it's not complicated, and you can adjust it to your taste. Like I said, this is the way I like it. It's not super bland. I don't care for really bland stuff. Relish. Mike prefers his without relish. I prefer mine with. And I'm making it today. But got the onion, got the bacon, and the mayo. I might need a little bit more, but we'll just get this mixed in. Depends on how creamy, you like it. And then I normally put this in the fridge to chill for about half an hour to an hour because it allows the flavor of the bacon and the horseradish to go through it. And that works out pretty good. Like I said, the recipe will be in the description below. You can alter it to suit yourself. But this makes a pretty nice salad. So I'm going to put this in the fridge to chill out a little bit, and then you know what comes next. My egg salad's cooled, and I like mine on toast. You can add shredded cheese to this mix, or just cheese like I'm doing. If you have fresh tomato, that's always good. If you like lettuce on it, that's fine. But we're just doing this today. Making a nice egg salad sandwich. And I'll cut this in half because I can only eat about half of this. And I cut mine the right way. The people who cut it the other way are just weird. Yummy. And there you can see what it looks like. Yum. So, my egg salad's done. like I said, you can, this is what a nice spoonful looks like. And a sandwich, simple sandwich. So, now for the good part. The eating. Not bland. Yummy. So, that's my version, and pretty much a Amish version of egg salad. I know, something simple, but hey, it's tasty. It always makes a good lunch or a quick supper. I like lighter stuff like this time of the year, not as many heavy meals. Sandwiches pretty soon, you know, when we get tomatoes in, well, BLTs. Good slab of fresh tomato on this with some lettuce is also awesome. So, like I said, plain old egg salad.